In today's COBB highlight, we help your mind intake everything you need to know about the COBB Redline carbon fiber power scoop for the 2022 Plus VB WRX. Everybody loves the look of carbon fiber, and this WRX scoop is made from a 100% carbon fiber 2x2 twill weave pattern covered in a resilient gloss coating, just like all of the other top-tier Redline products. The COBB scoop replaces the plastic stock part with a unit that has additional volume and improved installation convenience to go along with a sexy appearance. The scoop mounts securely to the factory radiator shroud and is held in place with a pair of rubber grommets that snugly hold to a couple provided studs at the head of the part. Then it swoops backwards where a set of custom engineered and machined aluminum clamps satisfyingly clip to the back half of the factory airbox. Those clamps make use of a clever ball detent, so that you can conveniently pop them open without having to worry about the metal portion flinging backwards or flopping around and scratching the carbon clear coat. There are also two more mounting locations that secure the scoop to the chassis with high-grade provided hardware and a rubber isolator so that the part stays put when you're driving at the limit. And of course, we made sure that the aesthetic design of the scoop lives up to the Redline series reputation. It features the COBB Redline badge riveted on top, but if you look closer, you can truly appreciate the attention to detail that we put into how the carbon fiber is expertly molded with soft contours that form tightly around the clamps and mounting locations so that nothing appears as if it was just tacked on. We also mirror the smooth bevel design that you will find on the other WRX Redline items, like the carbon fiber engine and fuse box covers. Plus, the scoop can be installed on a completely stock car or used along with the tune from the COBB access port. OEM manufacturers often have to play the game of sacrificing either style, performance, or quality in order to cut cost. The COBB Redline series parts for the VB WRX rejects that idea and presents you with aftermarket modifications that don't come with a compromise. So if you want to spruce up the quality and style of what's under your WRX's hood, head over to cobbtuning.com to scoop one up today.